Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free Uber Eats promo code that helped me save a ton of money on my last order. If you're looking for the latest Uber Eats discounts, coupons, or promo codes, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. So, how do you get your code? It's actually super simple. First, grab your phone, iPhone or Android, it works on both. Then, head to the website linked in the pinned comment below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Uber Eats. Tap on it, scroll down, and you'll see all the available promo codes. When you find one you want, just hit Show Coupon to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you want the direct link, check the pinned comment. I've explained exactly where you can get your Uber Eats promo code and how to redeem it instantly.